20th century, hundreds of different kinds of animals have disappeared from the wild. This is the story of one of them. Some birds have been lost because they were hated or persecuted by mankind. The Culebra Amazon parrot disappeared because we admired it too much. And it is not hard to see why. Like this similar species of Amazon parrot, its bright colors made any painting seem dull by comparison. The Culebra Amazon parrot was named after a tiny island in the Caribbean where it made its home in the lowland palm forests, a paradise of only a few square kilometers. Its plumage was, for the most part, a bright, vivid green. However, it also had yellow and blue wing feathers and a red tuft above the beak. But perhaps more extraordinary than its beauty was its ability to mimic the human voice as well as any parrot surviving today. Each bird had its distinctive voice and character, even within a single flock. Usually they were very sociable birds, although near their nests they were aggressively territorial. They survived on nuts, seeds and berries, but mostly on the fruit of the Sierra palm and the tabonoco. Once one was even seen with a lizard in its beak. The Culebra Amazon's first contact with the modern world came in the 16th century when, in the wake of Columbus's first voyage, other explorers came to the West Indies. They plundered the islands and took a bountiful booty back to Spain and Portugal, including gold, tobacco, hundreds of parrots, and many human slaves. The bold, bright parrots, with their gift for speech, made beautiful and entertaining pets, a virtue which was eventually to seal their fate. Being caged, however, was only one of their troubles. The local population also trapped the parrots. Roasted over a fire, they made a hearty meal for a struggling farmer and his family. But it was not only the birds that were burnt. Their limited rainforest habitat was cleared away to make way for a rapidly expanding population. A population which, by 1900, had reached 1 million on the neighboring island of Puerto Rico. As the island was settled and turned into farms, the unique habitat of the Culebra Amazon parrot was destroyed. Without the palm fruits or the older trees which had provided nesting hollows, the parrots could neither feed nor breed. As the fruit was exported, the trade in parrots continued, their value increasing all the time as their numbers declined. And aboard the very ships that took them out, predators such as rats and cats came in. All too quickly, the trees were gone, and so were the parrots. In 1899, ornithologist A.B. Baker saw the last recorded flock of Culebra Amazon parrots. He shot 3 of them. In 1912, an extensive search failed to find any of the others. The poet Keats once wrote, "A thing of beauty is a joy forever. It will never pass into nothingness." But this parrot and many others have.